Hello friends, my name is Valerie with Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel, and I want to welcome you to today's video. We are making pizza dough for our Prepping the Freezer series, and then I'll also be making a couple pizzas for dinner just because. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off. We have our lukewarm water. We're gonna add our sugar and our yeast. And that is one full container of water. We need to stir this up. We need to stir this up a little. And let it sit for 5 minutes. First thing we're going to do is to add our salt to the flour. And just kind of give it a little mix. Then we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to add our yeast mixture. Our sugar, yeast, and water. And we're going to mix this with our mixer for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, we are done. Oh, this is just beautiful. Little bit sticky or tacky to the touch. Okay, now we want an oiled bowl. We're going to flip that. Then we're going to put a damp towel on it and put it in the oven under the oven light for 1 hour. I'll see you then. This is our first rise for our pizza dough. It rose beautifully. We're going to knock it back. All right, so now we want to roll our pizza doughs into balls. All right. And then we're going to put them on this pan that is oiled. And I've weighed these out to be around 260 each. 261, 262. Got our balls made, and now I'm going to cover that with some saran wrap I made. And I cut out already, and I put oil, I oiled it, so that it won't stick to our balls. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in the oven with the light on for another 45 minutes. Okay, we'll see you then. Okay, our pizza balls are done. So now we're going to make And all we want to do at this point is just to manipulate Now I want it this big. This is a 12-inch pizza pan for the freezer. Only problem is there's no lid, so we're gonna have to cover it with either tin foil or saran wrap. We are almost to that point. And then we are going to par bake it 450 degrees for, I'm thinking 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna have at least one more for the freezer, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this one up for the freezer. Mozzarella. Okay, there's that. Now put some cheese on, and this one will be ready for the freezer. I'll start off by covering this with saran wrap, and then I'm also going to cover it with tin foil. Our first made up pizza to go in the freezer. Let's see how that works. Okay, we can do 2. I think we should just do 2. Number 2, pizza dough. And I should put par bake. Okay, folks, we have definitely got to try this pizza. Sounds like it's done. The crust. Well, it is done. Okay, folks, we need to try our pizza here. Looks good. That's good. The crust is all beautifully golden. And it's a thin pizza, so the dough, it's got a crust on it. That is really good. We have some for our freezer. We have some for lunch. And we even have pizza dough for the freezer. Folks, thank you for stopping by. And if you like this, if you like us, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And we'll see you next time.